Ready to make your kitchen feel smarter without lifting a finger? These genius Amazon gadgets take care of the chopping, prepping, organizing, and everything in between, so cooking instantly feels easier. If you love tools that actually make a difference, you're going to want every single one of these. All product links are in the description. Breakfast just got effortless. This 2-section omelet maker cooks 2 fluffy omelets at once without any flipping or mess. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and indicator lights tell you when it's ready to go. You can also make frittatas, pizza pockets, or even vegan patties, all in one compact, space-saving appliance. Fast, reliable, and perfect for busy mornings or creative cooking. Straining pasta or veggies just got hands-free. This clip-on silicone strainer attaches to pots, pans, or bowls, so you don't have to hold it while draining. It grips securely and handles hot foods up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit without warping. When you're done, it folds flat to save space in your kitchen or luggage. Quick, easy, and perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or camping trips. Meal prep has never been this organized. This all-in-one station gives you a deluxe cutting board, 8 essential tools, and 14 airtight containers to keep ingredients ready and mess-free. Scraps slide straight into built-in bins, while everything stays firmly in place on the non-slip surface. There's even a tablet stand so you can follow recipes hands-free. Cooking anywhere just got a lot simpler. This foldable electric pot packs down small for travel, but unfolds to cook porridge, rice, soup, or noodles with ease. The food-grade silicone and stainless steel base are easy to clean and built to last. It even shuts off automatically if it gets too hot, keeping things safe. Adjustable power and 3 cooking speeds make it perfect for dorms, offices, camping, or trips. Opening jars and bottles just got way easier. This 7-in-1 tool handles everything from cans and bottles to wine and large jar lids. Its retractable gears grip snugly so nothing slips, and the ergonomic handle gives you extra leverage even if your hands are weak. The built-in magnet lets you stick it on the fridge for quick access. Compact, handy, and perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Keeping your wine perfectly chilled just got effortless. This insulated sleeve locks in the cold for hours, so your bottle stays frosty from the first pour to the last. You just twist off the top, slide your chilled bottle inside, and you're good to go. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it great for picnics, patios, or celebrations. No condensation, no mess, just crisp, cool sips wherever you like. Poached eggs are way easier when you don't have to swirl boiling water. These silicone cups hold each egg in place so it cooks evenly without breaking or spreading. You can use them in a pan, microwave, or even the oven, and the non-stick surface helps the egg slide right out. Just add a little oil, pour in the egg, and watch it cook. They're simple to clean, sturdy on any surface, and handy for melting chocolate or butter too. Movie night hits different when you can make popcorn in minutes. This hot air popper uses fast blasts of heat to pop kernels without a drop of oil, giving you a light and crunchy snack. You just pour in the kernels, hit the button, and watch it fill the bowl. The top even works as a serving dish, so cleanup is almost nothing. It's quick, quiet, and perfect for anyone who wants healthier popcorn without the hassle. Dessert becomes the main event with this little fondue machine. You just plug it in and it melts chocolate or cheese without needing a stove. The warm setting keeps everything silky so you can dip fruit, cookies, or anything you love. It comes with color-coded forks and a serving tray, making it perfect for parties or cozy nights in. And when the fun's over, the non-stick pot wipes clean in seconds. Packing lunch gets a lot more fun when everything fits perfectly. This bento box gives you 2 stackable layers so you can keep your food organized just the way you like it. You get leak-proof lids that seal tight, but still open easily thanks to a small air vent. It comes with utensils, chopsticks, and a dip container, so you're always prepared. And when you're done, just pop it in the microwave or dishwasher for zero stress cleanup. Pasta nights just got way easier. This microwave cooker lets you boil noodles without a stove, spills, or a sink full of pots. Just add pasta and water, pop on the vented lid, and let the microwave handle the rest. When it's done, the same lid works as a strainer so you can drain in seconds. It even has measurement rings inside, making it almost impossible to mess up your portions. Meal prep feels a lot smoother when everything has its place. This acacia board gives you a sturdy surface plus built-in containers that catch ingredients as you chop. Just slice, slide, and let the pieces drop into the bins so your counter stays clean. 4 interchangeable graters let you shred, zest, or slice right into the containers. And the included mats protect the board when handling meat, keeping your whole setup neat and organized. Here's a kitchen upgrade you'll use every single day. This over-the-sink board gives you a sturdy cutting surface and a collapsible colander in one smart design. You can rinse, drain, and chop without moving back and forth, making meal prep way faster. The non-slip edges keep everything steady, and the basket pops out and folds flat when you're done. Simple to use, easy to clean, and built to save you space. Need extra storage without taking up counter space? This magnetic shelf sticks right to your fridge or any metal surface, holding fruits, veggies, or kitchen tools safely. The wooden lid keeps items covered, while the open design lets you see everything at a glance. It's strong, holding up to 15 kilograms, and easy to move or reposition whenever you need. Setup is a breeze, no drills or tools required, so you can get organized in minutes. Making breakfast doesn't have to feel like a race. This 2-tier steamer lets you cook veggies, rice, seafood, and eggs all at the same time. You get simple digital controls, plus a timer that lets you schedule your meal, and a warm mode that keeps food ready for hours. 5 cooking programs take the guesswork out of everything, from slow cooking to perfect eggs. Love espresso, but don't want a bulky machine? This manual coffee maker lets you brew rich, creamy shots anywhere, home, office, or even camping. Just press the handle, and its high-pressure system extracts all the flavor from your coffee grounds. It's compact, portable, and all parts come apart for easy cleaning. No electricity needed, so you can enjoy fresh espresso anytime, anywhere. Washing rice doesn't have to be messy. This smart bowl has a fine built-in strainer that lets water drain out fast while keeping every grain safely inside. You get a sturdy handle that makes rinsing easier and lighter on your hands. It works for rice, beans, pasta, and even small fruits or veggies. And after you're done, it cleans up quickly and fits right into any modern kitchen setup. Craving ice cream without the guilt? This frozen fruit maker turns bananas, berries, or mango into smooth, creamy treats in just minutes. You can mix flavors, add toppings, or follow the included recipes for fun dessert ideas. It's great for vegan, dairy-free, or low-sugar lifestyles since it uses nothing but fruit. And when you're done, the parts pop off for quick dishwasher cleanup. cutting watermelon just got way more fun. This clever windmill slicer glides through the fruit and instantly turns it into neat, bite-sized cubes with a gentle push. The rounded, non-sharp edges keep your hands safe, while the stainless steel blades do the work. You get a comfy handle that makes slicing smooth and easy. And when you're done, just rinse it off and toss it in your bag for picnics, parties, or quick snacks at home. Breakfast gets an instant upgrade with this smart touchscreen toaster. You tap the display, choose your bread type, and watch the countdown timer so you know exactly when it'll pop. Wide slots handle everything from bagels to waffles, and each side has its own controls so you can toast differently for everyone. 6 shade levels let you pick anything from lightly warm to deep and crunchy. Wish you could grill indoors without filling the whole place with smoke? This electric grill solves that with a built-in system that pulls smoke away as you cook, giving you that outdoor flavor right at home. You can adjust the heat with a bright LED display, making it easy to get perfect results. Swap between a grill plate or a griddle depending on what you're craving. Craving a movie night snack that feels extra fun? This stovetop popcorn maker turns plain kernels into a giant fluffy bowl in just a few minutes. You heat it up, crank the handle, and the built-in spinner keeps every kernel moving so nothing burns. It works on pretty much any stove, so you can use it wherever you cook. And cleanup is a breeze. Just let it cool, rinse it out, and you're ready for the next round. Ready to make snack time way more fun? This rotating pedal box opens like a blooming flower, giving you neat little sections for nuts, candy, dried fruit, or anything you like to munch on. Just twist the top, and each pedal slides out smoothly. You even get a built-in phone holder so you can snack while you watch. It's sturdy, non-slip, and perfect for keeping treats organized and easy to reach. Who knew prepping veggies could feel this effortless? This electric grater and slicer takes over the tiring chopping for you, turning cheese, cucumbers, or potatoes into perfect slices with just one touch. You get 4 interchangeable blades, so you can shred, julienne, or make fun wavy cuts in seconds. The wide chute even fits whole veggies, cutting your prep time way down. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.